Hi everyone, welcome to Missangela's classroom. I am Missangela and we are here for Tuesday mini class. Welcome everyone. Guys, I have something to show you today. Look! Do you know what it is? Do you see some animals here? Like the ocean animals? These are my gummies, guys. The gummies. Do you like gummy? Like gummy bears or gummy worms? I love gummies, and last weekend I made it at home. Guys, do you know what we need to make the gummies at home? Do you know what we need? Gummies are like squishy, right? Squishy, like jelly, like. To make that gummies, we need gelatin. It's some kind of ingredient that goes into the gummies, or like when we make jello. So I bought a pack of gelatin and I mixed gelatin to fruit juice. I used watermelon juice and blackberry juice, and I mixed them together and I made gummies. So this is the white one, like the light pink one. Yeah. The light pink one is the watermelon flavored, and this purple, like purple and radish color, is the blackberry flavored. Yeah, and I made them in the ocean animal shape. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Okay. Look. What is this? This is my dolphin. My dolphin. And I also made, what is it? Do you see the wiggling gummy? Wiggle, wiggle. This is octopus. I made an octopus, and here. What is it? Look at my gummies, guys. This is shark. Yeah, when you see it close, you can see the teeth, but I don't think you can see the teeth over here. So this is my shark, and this is my gummy worm. So how many did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 5 different kinds of sea animals. And then do you know what I did? I had these as a snack in the snack time with some other food, like the vegetables and the bread. I had them together in my snack time, and I played with them as well. Look, I had this snack mat, and it has the name of my sea animals. So this one, it says dolphin, and here it is starfish, and here shark, and here it is octopus, and this one is worm. So this snack mat has all those 5 sea animals name here. So I played with them. I put this on the table, and then I put my animals into the right bubble. Into the right bubble. So I'm going to show you what I did. Okay. Good. Okay. Because I can put the rear gummies here because they're not gonna stay, right? I made a picture, just a picture shape over here. So I'm gonna show you with this one. So first, what is it? Octopus. So which bubble does the octopus have to go? Here, octopus, right? So I'm gonna put my octopus here. And I also made starfish, right? So starfish needs to go to this bubble because it's that starfish. And next one is worm. Worm is here. And the next one is shark. Shark goes here. And the last one, dolphin. Here I have dolphin picture as well. So dolphin goes here. So these are the animals that I made. And I sang a song while I was having the gummies in my snack time. Do you guys want to hear? I want to show you this one because, you know, if you want to try making the real gummies at home, you can check the blog post. I explained it there with the pictures, so you can learn how to make the gummies at home. So you can make these, you can try making these at home. And when you make them, you can try playing like this. You can also get this snap mat on the blog. Okay, so I want to show you how to play with it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals now. And this song goes like this. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a worm. She caught a worm. Let's move it here. Okay. Or here. Oh. So I got my worm back. So, and then she caught a worm. Then there were 4 animals left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a dolphin. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3. Then there were 3 animals left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a starfish. One, two. Then there were 2 animals left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a shark. She caught a shark. Great. Then there were one animal left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught an octopus. Nothing. Then there were no animals left. So while I was singing, while I was playing, when I caught an animal, I ate that animal. So when I caught the worm, I ate the worm gummy. When I caught an octopus, I ate an gummy octopus. So it was very fun snack time. Do you want to try, guys? Yes, you want to try, right? I hope you can. I hope you can try making this at home. You will need some help from grown-ups, but it's not very hard. So you can check the blog and then you can try. All right, guys. Before we finish today's mini class, do you want to sing this song one more time? Yeah. Okay, let's move them back to the bubbles. Octopus goes to octopus bubble. And shark goes back to the shark bubble. And oops. Dolphin goes to the dolphin bubble. And worm goes to the worm bubble. And starfish goes back to the starfish bubble. Ready. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start with 5 animals, right? Sing together. Okay, how about, no, let's just do it with my name, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there were 4 animals left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a dolphin. 1, 2, 3. Then there were 3 animals left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a worm. 1, 2. Then there were 2 animals left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught an octopus. Then there was 1 animal left. Missangela went to the ocean, into the deep and blue ocean, and then she caught a shark. Then there was no animals left. Good job, guys. So this is, sorry. So this is what you can do when you make your own gummy sea animals. All right. Okay, so that's it for today's mini class. Thank you for coming to today's class, and I'm gonna see you guys next Tuesday again. Okay, bye.